And so Cantor Simmons and I want to offer a blessing. We'll offer the words of Zevi Tovlev, the first out transgender person ever ordained as a cantor. They took the words of the priestly blessing and reworked all the male gendered Hebrew so that now it's not gendered at all. They've reached into the well of our tradition and drew up these words, which have been used across the generations to offer holiness to one another. They transformed the words into water that might nourish the seeds of holiness inside of each of us. We offer this blessing to everyone because we are all made to blossom. We are all made with that spark of divine light, that seed of growth and possibility. So if you find yourself this evening as a person who's flourishing, please rise. And if you have ever flourished, please rise. And if you dream of flourishing, you should rise too, because this blessing is for all of you. Please rise.
יברך אתכם אדוני וישמר אתכם. יאר אדוני פניו אליכם ויחונכם. יישא אדוני פניו אליכם וישם אליכם shalom. May God bless you and protect you. May God's light shine upon you, and may God be gracious to you. May you feel God's presence within you always, and may you find peace. יברך אתכם אדוני וישמר אתכם. יאר אדוני פניו אליכם ויחונכם. יישא אדוני פניו אליכם וישם